The number one question I receive is about products that I use on my bleached hair. I still don't know how to pronounce this. I read it APHOG, but I heard it's Apogi. This next product I found in Target before the boycott started, but I love it. It strips your hair, strips your scalp, get your hair real clean. Olaplex is really good for repairing damage to your hair, rejuvenating your hair after bleach. It comes with 3 bottles. I ran out of number 3. This next one I talked about in my other videos. It's a toner. It's how I got my hair platinum. I'm not going to comment about this one. I know the girlies are hating on that one, but I love it. This one helps my hair personally retain moisture. And I love Pantene. This detangler will detangle, and it works for me. I know y'all love Zedu, but it leaves my hair feeling really crunchy, and my curl pattern is somewhere between 4B and 4C. If mousse works for you, I recommend trying that out. But for me, my hair loves creams, oils, and heavy gels.